Hello world, this is Darin Martineau with the Ultimate Recipes Collection, and in this video I'm just going to show one of my new recipes. I'm not going to teach it here, but it's a pasta recipe and it's very special because it's like a meatball pasta stew that I've created in my test kitchen. So I'm really proud of this. Um, if you want to get access to this amazing recipe and many more, join the Ultimate Recipes Collection where we have over 40,000 recipes and new recipes added every week and every month. Uh, this is your go-to membership site for all our delicious recipes, and you get access to everything here. Only $5.99 per month. Now, uh, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please click the link if you want to get some sample recipes, get some free recipes now. The page will look like this. All you got to do is put in your name and email, and I will put you on our Ultimate Recipes Collection newsletter, and I will send you regularly tons of incredible recipes like this. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.